A long time ago, in Italy, something incredible was about to happen. A middle-aged man, a young boy, was trying to learn all the secrets about scream and growl singing. YouTube was an inexhaustible source of informations, but there were so many tutorials he didn't know what to do anymore. He tried all the singing techniques, but with no results, as you can listen to. He was really frustrated with the situation. Until finally, something happened. A big smile on his face, a huge happiness. A dark song, a blinding light. And in front of him, the voice master appeared.
I'm the voice master! Why did you summon me?
The master said. He couldn't believe it was happening to him. Finally, he will discover all the secrets of singing.
I am the voice master! Tell me your wish!
The master said.
Yes, master, please! Tell me all the secrets of singing!
You need my help, right? The ancient singing secrets are...
Please! Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Please!
The secrets are...
Please, please, please! Shut up, student! There is a lot of work to be done here, please! No way! No way! Study! Please!
The end. There are no secrets. You just have to study.